Hey people, so it's like I just realized that if I don't start recording right now, it'll just get postponed, and that's the thing about life. If you're trying to aim for perfection, before you know it, everything slips through your fingers. Yeah, really, this is like a very big learning, I feel. So, no, no, Amitabh Bachchan himself says that it is silly to chase after perfection, because even the moon is technically, it has craters, right? So it's not like a smooth surface. So thought for the day. But really, people, I've been watching a lot of these documentaries and these things on Netflix and Amazon Prime. So on Amazon Prime, there is this particular movie. It's a documentary film called One Child Nation, and this is it's about life in China during the time when this one child policy was very strictly implemented. So it's, my god, it's been a while since I've watched a documentary, and hence it's been a while since I've ever had goosebumps. But you all should watch that program. Yeah, it is like, my god, One Child Nation. It's on Amazon Prime, and I'm like the second born at home. I'm the second daughter. So if I was in China, apparently babies were put in bamboo baskets and left in meat markets. Meat markets are abandoned on roads, and because it was so strict, that policy. And then people who weren't keen to have a daughter. They were allowed only one child, right? So you all should watch it. Yeah, it's called One Child Nation, and it's on Amazon Prime. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.